Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. World Ozone Day. World Ozone Day is celebrated on September 16th of every year. World Ozone Day is celebrated to spread awareness about the ozone layer for our planet. The layer is getting weaker with every passing year. Ozone layer is so important because the layer acts like a blanket and protects the earth from harmful ultraviolet rays of the sun. Ozone layer helps to regulate the temperature of the earth's atmosphere to save us from overheating or freezing. Ozone depletion is caused by the release of chlorofluorocarbons and other ozone depleting substances such as refrigerants and aerosols. World Ozone Day describes the importance and role of the ozone layer in the environment. Without an ozone layer, harmful rays of the sun would reach us and harm us. The ozone layer exists in the stratosphere of the earth. The layer, which is made of three oxygen atoms, protects our planet from harmful ultraviolet radiation. These radiations are for all the living organisms since they cause allergies and skin cancer. Excessive use of air conditioners and automobiles as well as deforestation lead to ecological imbalances, thereby causing depletion in the ozone layer. Planting trees and using eco-friendly goods protects the environment and the ozone layer. However, several holes have been found by scientists in it, which is not a good sign. If people not stop using ozone destroying substances, then the large part of Earth would be virtually uninhabitable by 2065. Montreal Protocol was signed by several countries in 1987, promising to limit the use of chlorofluorocarbons and other ozone depleting substances. If all countries follow the terms of the Montreal Protocol, scientists believe that ozone layer will heal by around 2065. On this day, various activities and programs are held in order to spread awareness about the importance of ozone layer and also the depletion of ozone layer and how to protect it. In schools and colleges, various types of activities, competitions such as poster making, sketching, debates and speeches are held. Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful to you, then please like and share my video with your friends, and also don't forget to subscribe my channel.